Hey everyone, Spencer here. Welcome to my channel. Today we've got some more VSTAR Universe booster boxes to open up. This is the Japanese equivalent to Crown Zenith. So instead of in English we have we don't even have 36. We don't have the booster box of Crown Zenith. We just have since it's a specialty set, it's only the ETBs. And I think they have booster bundles and some other collection boxes. But in Japanese, we have VSTAR Universe, which the booster box has 10 packs. All right. And in each pack has one guaranteed ultra rare. Okay. So let's open these up, see what we get today. Still learning all of their names for all the different Pokemon and the different characters. So today I have my cheat sheet with me next to me right here. So just in case I want to know the name or need to know the name of a card, I can just pull it up right here next to me. Okay, this is Latias. Okay, what's this guy's name? I keep forgetting. He's always used in the Halloween special packs or sets. So he is Pumpkaboo. This is Cricketune, right? Okay. Oh, Cricketot. And this one I see it pretty often. I keep forgetting the name. It's number 1. It's 132. This is Fan of Waves. Okay. Alright, this is Cynthia's Ambition. Nice. Charizard VSTAR. Okay. And then that's... which seal stone is this? 146. Sky Seal Stone. And then that's... is it Bronzor? For this holo rare. Right? Bronzong. Okay. And then this is the Fog Crystal. It's reverse holo. Okay. I'm slowly getting it. Okay. Alright. This is Duskull. Flaffy. Nickit. Fog Crystal. Is it Fanapy? This one I don't know. Whoa. Deoxys, and Suicune. Okay, Suicune V. Miltank. And then Magnezone. Okay. All right. Come on. Finally able to tear it all the way down, and it's still not wide enough or big enough for the cards to be pulled through. Okay, Voltorb, Bidoof, Magneton. This is Cricketune. Is this Cheryl? Is that her name? 163. Yep. Cheryl. Melanie. This is Galarian Zapdos. Ooh. That is Hisuian Samurott. Wow. Oh, it's Snorunt right in front of him too. Didn't even notice. Okay, Ditto and Irida. Come on. Right, so is he Bronzor? Is that his name? He's number 98. Yeah, Bronzor. Okay, is Haunter or Ikorio. This is Sharon. Okay, I don't remember. Here's NTV. Deoxys Hollow Rare. And Galarian Zapdos. And Mightyena. Okay, there's Ghastly. Paris. Magmortar. Collapse Stadium. Mightyena. What was this one? 140. Mirage Gate. Then we have Luminion V. There's Moltres, Lucario, and Hollow Lunatone. Okay. How do you open these correctly? Is that how it's supposed to be opened and then kind of randomly tear somewhere? Okay, Parasect. Okay, so what is his name? Number 30, he is Hisuian Basculin. Okay, Lunatone. Lost Vacuum. This is that 145? I keep thinking it's Choice Belt. I think I'm wrong though. Right? No, it is Choice Belt. And then this is Power Tablet. Nice. Here's Machamp VMAX. And who is this? 114. I don't know who this is. 114 Hisuian Gudra. Okay. There's Mew. And the reverse Solrock. Really? Come on, here we go. Regice, Voltorb, Lunatone, right? Then who's this? 147. This is Leafy Camo Poncho. Nope, don't know that. This is Galar Friends or Friends of Galar. No. Sinnoh. Okay, so I was wrong the last video. These Sinnoh Friends. Okay, Mightyena, Zamazenta V. says Professor's Research. Ooh, Radiant Greninja. Radiant Greninja, and then Reverse Hollow Collapsed Stadium. Okay. Come on. Go. Solrock, Mareep, Poochyena, says Grotle. Okay, Sinnoh Friends. This is... It's not Ultra Ball, is it? It is. Okay, Ultra Ball. So what's the other one? Level Ball is the one with the V. Okay. This is... What's his name? Oh, man. It is Origin Form Dialga VSTAR. Okay. And then, what is Bidoof's evolution? It is Bibarel. Bibarel, number 63. This is Diancie. Then we got Metal Energy. Nice. This is the third energy that I've gotten so far. Opening all the booster boxes that I've opened so far. This is my third booster box of VSTAR Universe. Oh my gosh, look how difficult it is for me to open this. If you can get the right tear, it tears easy. But if you don't, it ends up looking like this. Okay. Electabuzz. Electabuzz. Bidoof. Forgot his name. Okay, Manaphy. This is the dark patch. Don't remember. Dunsparce. And then this is Drapion V, Regigigas, and then Zoroark. And here's the last pack for this booster box. Remember, there's only 10 in these specialty sets. Okay. Right. Liepard, right? Magnemite. Dusclops. Don't remember. Heavy Ball. Electrode. Latios. Keldeo. And Magmortar. Magmortar Reverse Hollow. Okay, here we go. This is our second box. Come on. Okay, here is the first pack of box 2. Come on. Why does it feel so difficult to open? Okay, Magnemite, Dusclops, Electabuzz, Alessis Sparkle, don't remember, Pickaxe, Electrode, Diancie, Toxtricity, and Regieleki. Regieleki reverse. Okay. Let me just try opening from the middle this time. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot better than trying to tear from the corner. Okay, Bidoof. You are 112. Gumi. Right? Gumi. Okay, Solrock, Grotto, Dark Patch, Magma Basin, ooh, Mew VMAX, Deoxys, Hisuian, Arcanine, and Turtwig. Okay. Alright, next pack. So how do you guys like these Japanese boxes? I do have some more that I can open. I don't know if you guys enjoy these openings. I know I don't have all the names memorized of all the cards, but I do have a cheat sheet next to me that I can use. Mareep, Pruchiana, Regice, Roxanne, Choice Belt, Cricketune, Drapion, Moltres, Articuno, and I forgot what that something mountain. Let's see, what's the name of it? 164. It is Stormy Mountain. Alright, next pack. So that last pack I almost got all the cards right, except for the trainer, the last trainer. Right, Voltorb, Lunatone, Dunsparce, Power Tablet, something Coliseum, right? One Temple of Sinnoh. Okay, 64. Who are you? This is Comfy. Ooh, nice. Galarian Articuno and Zero Aura. Zero Aura VMAX. Okay, and then Lucario and Torterra. Alright, so I guess for me it's better for me to just tear it down the middle and the back. Alright. Okay, Bronzor, Ghastly, Electivire, Charon, Stormy Mountain, Heavy Ball, Oricorio. Okay, Zamazenta. There's Mew and Bronzong. Right? Okay. I'm not sure on the value of these cards. Are they the same as their English equivalent, or are they worth a little more? I think Crown Zenith was printed a lot, and you can still find inventory or boxes online and even in store too, I think. Okay, Thievul, Altaria, Haunter, Level Ball, Fan of Waves, Ultra Ball, ooh, Zoroark, Irida, nice, Miltank, and Hisuian, right? Hisuian Growlithe. Okay, this is the Hisuian Zoroark, right? 129. 129, Hisuian Zoroark VSTAR. There you go. Yeah, and I think Irida. This was one of the chase cards, I think. I think the last sold for this card is $60 or $70 right now, ungraded. Nope. Tear from the middle. Right. Paris. Purloin. I don't remember. Is it Gudra? Or Gumi? That was Gumi. Mightyena. Something. Suitcase. I forgot. Okay. This is Lost Vacuum. Stantler. Is that what this one is? 131. Wordier V. Okay. This one's Latios, Ditto, and what's his name? 152. He is Grant. Okay, Grant. Right. We got, what, 3 packs? Okay, Duskull, Turtwig, Zorua, Manaphy, what is this, Magma Basin, Level Ball, Manaphy, nice. Giratina VSTAR. Okay. Giratina VSTAR, Manaphy, nice. And then I forgot his name. Boss's Orders and Bibarel. We've got, okay, here we go. Second to last pack. Latias, Regirock, Magmortar, Dark Patch, Alessa Sparkle, Temple of Sinnoh, Palkia V, Absol, Reggie, Gigas, and Fighting Energy. Nice. So we've got, what, 4 of these hollow energies so far? Alright. And last pack magic, guys, right? Last pack for today. Let's try to get some of those gold cards. It's the Giratina V gold card. Okay, Electabuzz, Regice, Dusclops, Regidrago, Pickaxe. It's Sinnoh Friends? Is that what it's called? Hisui Friends. Whoa. Okay. Giratina V, Gengar, Radiant Charizard, and Poochyena. Nice. Okay. Radiant Charizard. Then reverse hollow Poochyena. Okay. That's it for opening packs. And now I'll go over all of our hits. Pretty crazy having an ultra rare in every single pack. Okay, Charizard, What is he? Forgot what the term is. Forgot. Oh, Giratina V, Fighting Energy, Palkia V, Manaphy, Giratina, Stantler. Okay, Irida. Okay. Oh. Hisuian Zora Arc, VSTAR, Zamazenta V. Here's a full art Oricorio, VMAX, Zeraora VMAX. Here's the Articuno, Drapion V. This is a VMAX. Oh, so right there, Mew VMAX, Voltor or Electrode, Drapion, Dunsparce, Metal Energy, Origin Form, Dialga. Okay, Greninja. What is he called? Something Greninja. Let's see on here. Radiant. There you go. Radiant Charizard, Radiant Greninja. Zamazenta, Machamp VMAX, Luminion. This is NTV. This is Hisuian Samurott VSTAR. Galarian Zapdos, Suicune, Deoxys, and Charizard VSTAR. Okay, so I think this is the chase card, or one of them. I'm not sure on the Charizard here, and maybe one of the VMAXs. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll probably be opening up some more Japanese soon. All of these are for sale. They're all available. I will most likely post them on eBay. Unless you guys have a recommendation on where else I can list Japanese cards for sale. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.